Hi everyone, welcome to the F&L Show. So today we are making an eggless tiramisu. So let's get started. The ingredients we'll need are 100 ml of whipped cream, 100 grams of mascarpone cheese, 2 tablespoons of powdered sugar and about a teaspoon of vanilla extract. And we'll also need about 400 grams of vanilla sponge cake and about a cup of espresso. So in this I'm using a tablespoon of espresso powder and a cup of boiled water. We'll start by making a layer of espresso in our tray. You can also use shot glasses instead of a tray. And then we'll take our cake pieces and dip them in espresso and then make a layer of those cake pieces. So we have made a layer and now we'll refrigerate our tray. Now we'll whisk whipping cream till it starts making soft peaks. As you can see, it's making soft peaks now, which means it's ready. Now we'll add powdered sugar and whisk the cream just till the sugar is properly mixed. Now we'll whisk mascarpone cheese for about 20 to 30 seconds or till it starts getting smooth. After whisking, we'll add vanilla extract and whisk it again just till vanilla extract is totally mixed. Now we'll fold mascarpone cheese in whipped cream. Now we'll take our tray and make a layer of the whipped mix. We'll pour espresso on this layer and cover it. After this, we'll make a similar layer of cake and whipped mix. After making similar layers, we have to refrigerate it for about 4 to 5 hours and if possible overnight. And right before we have to serve it, we'll dust the top of our tiramisu with cocoa powder. Our tiramisu is now ready to serve. Thank you so much for watching. Please give the video a thumbs up if you liked it. Do let us know if you have any queries, remarks or suggestions in the comment section below. Please share the video and subscribe to the F&L Show.